Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create Tonkeeper account. So first we're going to go to our Tonkeeper app. You can find it in the Play Store or App Store. Then next we're going to click on create new wallet. Then they're going to ask you to set a passcode, a 4-digit passcode. Then next you can customize your wallet, its color, its icon, as well as its name. So once you set your preferences, you're going to click on continue. So now as you can see, your wallet has been created, your account has been created. It's so easy. You can set up the backup key for you not to lose it. So it's as easy as that. You can manipulate the name as I told you. So this is how we create the account. It's an easy step. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.